Okay, here's how this Kraken Bass website is going to radically transform your fishing and help you uncover the secrecy and the confusion with what's out there. There is so much out there. It's so hard to navigate these days. So this is the landing page. If you want to really fast track your bass fishing, you can just click here on Get Started Now. You can sign up for my course and get on the wait list for when I next launch it. I redo it and make it the best that I can from the feedback that I get from the people that are going through. It's transformed so many people fishing. My list keeps growing and growing of people that are loving the content and doing really well fast tracking their fishing. But if you're not ready for the course wait list or not sure where to go, I've got tons of other stuff to help you. I've got bait selection tools. These are tools I've designed and created to help improve your fishing and cut through the clutter. There's a bait selection secrets cheat sheet. It helps you know what bait to use when different conditions are present. This is a full book I wrote. It's 30 pages on how to pick the best bait. And then I also wrote another book on color selection mastery, how to pick the right color with all the different colors out there. A lot of you can get my chart for free, but this goes in more detail of why certain colors work and others don't. Here's that lure color selections cheat sheet. It'll help you know what color to use. And then I have a crankbait selector cheat sheet. There's so many different crankbaits. This walks through the different classifications of crankbaits and which ones you want to use. And then I have 35 big bass tackle essentials. The essential tackle I've proven and used over years as a professional bass fishing guide right here for you to use. So that's some of the tools. I've got a couple bait kits that'll help you, a winter fishing kit, a swim jig kit. I've got, this is a look at all my ebooks. There's this one called Uncovering Secret Bass Layers, which teaches you how to find the best spots where other people don't know where bass are. And then I've got a Sand Hollow fishing guide, a St. George, real popular destination, walks through season by season how to catch bass on this lake. And every once in a while, I'll do classes out at the lake. Then I have this soft plasting bass fishing mastery. It walks through the basics and the fundamentals of what you need to do to rig up soft plastics to catch more bass. Then I have a hook sharpener to make sure you have sticky, sharp hooks to catch bass. Got a weigh scale so you can brag about your fish when you catch them after going through this content. I've got a pair of fishing pliers that cut braid and unhook split rings. It's a plier I've designed and really loved. And then if you're loving this stuff, you can buy a hat. Here's where you can go to get on the wait list. You can actually get my lure color selection chart for free by signing up to the blog. So that's pretty cool. And those are some of the resources on my shopping page that have helped a lot of people. Now, if you're not prone to spending any money, no problem. I get it. Here's all my blog posts of the different stuff that I've used that will help people. You can see my most recent stuff right here. On this side, you can categorize by locations, any of my trip reports in Utah, Arizona, Idaho, Nevada. I fished a lot of places. If you're more into like bass fishing techniques, you click on this one. Here's my latest post on best bass fishing lures, 10 great summer bass fishing patterns, 10 baits for Sand Hollow, 5 situations when spinner baits work. A lot of great stuff on bass fishing techniques. And then, maybe more gear and tackle if you're struggling on knowing what gear to use, and paddle boards, trick worms, fishing jigs, creature baits, all that kind of stuff. So, and then down here on the bottom of all my posts, a lot of people have found this really helpful. This is a map of all the places I've fished. And if you click on any one of those tags, you can get links to articles. Here's Upper Sand Cove, a pond out by where I live. You can click on articles to that. Here's Lake Powell, all the different fishing I've done out at Lake Powell. You click on these links and you can go and read all of the articles fishing Lake Powell. I got lots of them on there. So anyway, that's how you use this. There's Horseshoe Springs, which is kind of a cool little spot. There's a couple articles on that. But anyway, that's how you use this blog. If you're wanting to search something and don't know where to go, just click on the search bar. Say you want to learn more about spinner baits. You can learn all the stuff I've tagged that talk about fishing spinner baits. You can also, maybe you want to learn about springtime fishing. Type in spring. Here's all my spring fishing posts to help you. So this is a real cool resource. I created it for me originally because I wanted to document where I caught bass and what I caught them on. And so everything in here is stuff that I've personally used and had work for me. And if you go into any of my posts, you can know that I don't post anything unless I've caught fish on it and that it's worked. And in my posts, I'll link to on Amazon to all the different stuff, or if there's more details you need to know about wacky rigging, here's everything in these different posts to help you know the right lures and how to rig them up. And usually I throw in some videos on my YouTube channel that correspond with this post. So use this Kraken Bass website to help you get on more bass. You can fast track your bass fishing by getting started, going to the course. It's going to really make a big difference for you. Stay here, stay stoked, learn from a professional bass fishing guide and get you the stuff you need to help crack more bass. Here, you can search here on the main page, locations, gear and tackle, fishing techniques. That's all the stuff. There you go.